Hi, James Braithwaite here again. This time I'm showing you what I'm doing to prepare some flowers and the vegetables for the crop that I'm putting in this year. Okay, this time it's all about sowing the seeds and putting young plants in ready to go. Anyway, let's start from the start. You should just be able to see Denzel down there. There he is, he's coming in now. You can see the sunflowers. They've just gone into a bigger pot, most of them anyway, because I've got more to plant, as you will see or have seen before. Please forgive the mess. Anyway, this is what I've been up to here. I know these look a bit gangly, but they're certainly not going to last that way. I'll just get the light on them so you can see them a little better. Okay, these here is a mixed bag of sunflowers and purple sprouting broccoli, I think. Sunflowers and purple sprouting broccoli. That's pretty self-explanatory, purple sprouting broccoli. And I've got sweet corn as well in there. So, just so you can have another look. If it comes into bloody focus, that is. There you go. So, and in the propagator this time I have some Rebecchias coming, so hopefully they'll come up. I've run out of peat pots now, unfortunately, otherwise I'd have done some more, but I have more seeds to spread and grow. No euphemism intended. Okay, I shall see you in the next one. Bye.